tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here. Oh, here.
Know some young niggas like to sweat. Know some young niggas like to sweat. Big bang, take little bang.
Miss Holness is not here, and I cannot check
She wants
in.
2 tons of steel.
So I am just going to go on to hall, show the security my receipts that I paid the boarding fee, and check in tomorrow with the freshettes.
Yeah man, I'm just writing the, well you can leave it blank. Alright, when I come I can fill in the amount. And I'm probably just want to pay on their account.
And here we are again, all packed in. Would you like to say something?
Hi, how are you? Welcome. Here. Alright, kid stuff. Be good. Fortunately. It's not far, it's not for long. No, you'll be good. Yes. Try this and we'll wait.
I am going to unpack my stuff and yeah. Okay guys, so I'm currently finished my room for now. I am hot and sweaty as you can see. Don't mind my acne, whatever. During next week or so I'll unpack the rest of my stuff and put them up so this room can look more roomy. So now this is what we're looking at. So I just have my books and other stuff over there, some pots and pans in that over there that I'm not ready to take out yet, some extra stuff that I don't know where to put them. These are all my hair products, skincare products, other products. That's really nothing over there. My water bottle, I'm old-fashioned, my speakers, my lamp, my laptop. The rest of my luggage is under there. I have my book bag, my extension, my other suitcase that I have not touched yet, my bed. I am going to decorate this wall because, come on now. And then back here, I have not finished sorting this out yet, but these are just 2 of my bags. The rest of them are in my suitcase. This is my box full of shoes, my other bag full of stuff, some other unnecessary stuff, my zapper, some other stuff that I don't know, some other random stuff, you know, the hangers. Under there is my blender, but I really don't think you're allowed to take blender, so I might not even use it, or I might, but you never know. Those are some shoes that I got to put out, and under there I'll find something to put under there. Now, yeah, up there I'll put some stuff up there too. So for now, this is what we're working with. Get that. And then I'm gonna put my padlock on this soon. My backdrop is over there. I'm gonna get a new backdrop because this is not cutting it right. It is my fan. I'm gonna move it tomorrow and put it over here where my stuff belongs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go downstairs and help the rest of them with decorating the hall and whatever. So, deuces.